Hope you're doing good. Micah back with another video. Back to talk about the Galaxy Watch Ultra finally getting an update about a week and a half in of its official existence in our lives. And as you guys see, I'm no longer rocking Samsung's Marine band. I actually found a dope Coretta black bracelet band that also came with a silver bracelet band. So I'll put the link in the description box for you guys if you guys are interested in those bands, and this watch description box for you guys if you guys are interested in the Galaxy Watch Ultra. This big boy finally got an update, and I'm so happy that it did because I think it needed it for sure. The update, if I grab my Galaxy S24 Plus and we go ahead into the gallery, and I took a screenshot of it. As you guys can see, stability and reliability, and that's what I really want to talk about. Battery charging stability has improved, meaning this should charge faster, I would hope, or maintain a consistent high wattage charge until it reaches kind of the higher percentiles before it slows down and trickle charges. Battery stability has been improved, meaning that they may have optimized the battery to last a little bit longer considering it has a bigger battery. So far, I've been able to get, or my battery statistics has told me that I'm able to achieve 3 days and 11 hours on a full charge. And I think this could be improved by a day. I think it honestly could, especially for me. I just rock it for some light fitness tracking, unless I'm wearing it in the morning and I do my 100 rep challenge. Otherwise, walking, just being on my wrist, I wear this as a timepiece more so than a fitness piece. So I definitely think battery life could be improved on the Galaxy Watch Ultra. And then it says overall device stability has been improved, and that along with the stability and reliability, those are the two things I really wanted to talk about. This update came in at 175 megabytes, so it's a decent size for a watch for sure. But I want to actually show you guys something here. So if I swipe back here, and really I can leave this active now. If I swipe back here and I pull up my Galaxy wearable app, I'm in the watch settings. Here's something that really kind of got on my nerves. So this watch finally had died on me. I didn't realize it when I went to go play basketball with it. I wanted to see how well it would track my calories, track my fitness stats while playing basketball. So I come back, I put on a charge, I fully charge it, I take it off, I put my new bands on, and I come into my watch faces. So I have to find those here. I come into my watch faces, and all of my watch faces, so if I just swipe up, all of my watch faces that I sat here and customized and built out all disappeared on me. I mean, gone. I mean, gone. And as you guys can see, I kind of changed several ones, and it also kind of looks like it's playing games again because I did change those. I shouldn't even have three of the same one, so I don't know what's going on still. So the point is, I had to come back and recustomize a lot of these, and I'm not happy because I'm seeing that some have been re-added. I think these are old ones that I had customized before, and now they're kind of slowly populating back in here. So I'm not happy about that either as to what is going on with this watch and the watch faces or the storage. Like, I couldn't even restore my watch. I didn't have the option to restore my watch. And so here's all the watch faces that are available. And this is going to be a separate video because I do want to talk about how to customize watch faces on here and how you can find the featured watch faces for the Galaxy Watch Ultra. So I definitely want to show you guys that. Right now I'm rocking the old school Tomcat watch face, which is what you got with the original Galaxy Watch, I believe, like the first Galaxy Watch. So this is a fire watch face that I can't ever let go, and of course it matches the orange aesthetic, the orange accenting of the Galaxy Watch Ultra. But there's something weird going on with the storage, or when this dies and has a reboot. And as we guys just saw here, it had to reboot to install this update, and I'm already looking at my watch faces a little confused as to why I have duplicates of certain ones that I know I didn't duplicate. So again, as you hear, I'm probably a little annoyed right now. I was hoping that was something that they would fix, and maybe they did. And of course, I'll find out. But I don't know if I want to kill my watch again just to have to potentially redo all my watch faces again. That's going to be very, very annoying. But that isn't a problem. It was not reliable from that perspective. If I come into settings and I come in here to, let's see, account and backup, I still can't necessarily do a restore. I can do a reset and then restore that way, but I'm not trying to do that. These are my backups that I have on here. August 5th and July 30th, and that's the one I would have tried to update from, but it wouldn't let me do so. And now you see it's a 24 megabyte difference, which may be watch face oriented. I did download 2 new watch faces from the Play Store, so that may be the additional storage there. But you don't have the option to restore. It's so weird. Even when I go into the Samsung's Samsung's cloud, the Galaxy Cloud, whatever they call it, I forgot that fast. Even when I go into the Samsung Cloud, it will not show me or populate the Galaxy Watch Ultra backups to then allow me to restore. It only will allow me to restore my phone data, but not my actual watch data. So that's something that I find very strange in regards to this update. And let's make sure they don't kick out 2 updates. This one definitely prioritized the battery on this. And I see if I press the fitness button, it does respond faster, which is also nice. So as you guys saw there, it does respond faster when pressing it. So that's nice. I press the home button just to go back home. Yeah, no, nothing else. And as you guys can see, that's the ending AXG2. So June 1st, that has not changed. Just some battery tweaking. And right now I have like 37%. So it's probably going to tell me based off of this charge. I have a day and 7 hours left on this, which is pretty impressive for 30-something percent. My used since last charge was 2 days and 13 hours, and that's because I put this on the charger. I had 19% left. So I would have made it a whole nother day and some change, or it's really probably about 4 days. I'm about to go put it on the charger so it can eclipse 30% to actually install the update. So this is going to go back on the charger now. But I'm definitely disappointed with the watch face debacle that's taking place with the Galaxy Watch Ultra. I just don't understand why it's doing all that. In terms of my tiles, I think it's straight. Yeah, these haven't changed. Those are good. My app screen hasn't changed. These are all still good. And I really don't enter this space all that often anyway, because I have all my tiles that takes care of a lot of that. My quick panels has not changed. So I'm good from this perspective as well. So I don't know what it is that Samsung just couldn't get right with the watch face and the storage capabilities of this Galaxy Watch Ultra, because I like wearing it with this slim band now. So I like wearing this over my Apple Watch. I wear my Apple Watch just because it's a watch, and if this is on the charger, I'll put that on my wrist. I give myself time not to wear timepieces as well, but I definitely like this Ultra, especially with this black band. I want to try it with the silver band. That's the other thing about this, but again, I'll talk about that in my 2-week review coming up later this week about this watch, amongst other things. But that was my biggest gripe with this so far, was the storage capabilities, the unreliableness of that, and not being able to restore properly to the Galaxy Watch Ultra. And I hope that has been addressed, and that's why I had those other weird watch faces pop up, because they did address those kind of weird wonky situations with the Galaxy Watch Ultra. So let me know down in the comment section below what you guys think about the Galaxy Watch Ultra. Have you updated yours? Have you had any problem with the watch faces? Are you looking forward to my watch face video? The comment section is open for discussion. Again, as always, you guys haven't already, make sure to like the like button, subscribe, channel notification bell, so all free. That was some videos. So you and I can sit back, check, see what's cracking. And don't forget to hit that super things button down there, better like and dislike button, Cash App, and PayPal, and check the channel out for all the videos available to you. That's the way to keep tech friends alive on this channel. Friend Micah signing out. Until the next video. The presentation, the box is just, oh my God. Wait for it.